Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix lagging and freezing issue on iOS 26. Let's get started. Solution number 1. Close background apps. First, close all the unused apps running in the background. Simply swipe up and clear the apps you are not using. Too many apps open at once can slow down your iPhone and cause lag. Solution number 2. Turn off background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select background app refresh. Then turn it off completely. This will stop apps from refreshing in the background and save system resource. Solution number 3. Free app storage. Low storage can also cause lag. To fix this, open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap iPhone storage. Here delete unused apps, files or large videos you don't need anymore. The more free space you have, the smoother your iPhone will run. Solution number 4. Update your iOS software. Go to Setting app. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Update often come with bugs fix and performance improvements. Solution number 5. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all setting. Enter your passcode, confirm again, and your setting will reset without deleting your personal data. This can fix hidden issues case lag. And that's it. 5 quick and easy ways to fix lagging and freezing on iOS 26. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.